Let's practice listening.
Just listen and relax.
You don't need to repeat.
You don't need to pause
Your job is only to listen.
and understand little by little.
We will use simple English.
Everyday English.
It is morning.
The day is starting.
I wake up early.
I feel fresh.
I open the window.
I feel the air.
I make coffee.
I drink slowly.
Now listen again.
Very calm.
I check my phone.
I read messages.
I plan my day.
I feel organized.
Now work and study.
Daily life English.
I start my work.
I focus on my tasks.
I take short breaks.
I stay relaxed.
I ask questions.
I listen carefully.
People speak to me.
I understand more than before.
Now casual conversation.
Very common.
How is your day going?
It's going well.
Are you busy today?
A little, but it's okay.
What are you doing later?
I'm going to relax at home.
Listening helps your speaking.
Even if you don't speak now.
Your brain learns patterns.
And natural rhythm.
Now slow it down.
Very slow.
English feels easier.
English feels familiar.
I am improving.
Every day.
I enjoy listening.
I enjoy learning.
You can listen again tomorrow.
And the next day.
Small steps matter.
Daily listening builds fluency.
Keep going.
You are doing great.